of signals are there, and which is 0 0 0 2, all three will become 1. Okay, and equivalent value is 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1, equivalent in decimal. Now to if there is a 4 signal, so it will become 2 raised to 4, 16, all 0, then 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, then 0 0 1 1. Similarly, next will become 0 1 0 0, okay, 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. The next will become 1 1 0 0. So first two digits are 1 1 here. All first two digits are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this will become 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0, and then final is 1 1 1 1. This all 16 combinations are there. This is equal to decimal 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1, 16 minus 1, so it will become 0 to 15, equivalent in decimal. Equivalent in decimal. And the total 16 combinations are there. So if my quantity is between 9 to 16 to convert in binary, how many bits require? So 9 to 16, here 9 to 15, how many bits are required? 4 bit. Okay. Suppose there is a 5 combinations are there, so 2 bits are not possible, 3 bits are required. So similarly 9 to 15 we cannot be convert into using the 3 bits, there is required 4 bit. Today our aim is that we want to convert the decimal code in form of binary. Why binary? Because to design the digital circuit, digital signal, only the binary is an analogy. So now we have to identify the binary decimal code, which is known as a binary coded decimal BCD. So our aim is that we want to make a digital signal combination for BCD, binary coded for decimal. In decimal number, combination is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Total 10 combinations. Okay, like suppose the decimal digit. As we mentioned that 0, 1, then 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9. So total 10 combinations are there here. Now, how many bits are required, or how many digital signals required? Suppose 2 bits, so total combination 2 raised to 2, 4, not possible. If I select 3 bits, it will become 2 raised to 3, 8. So still 8, so 2 combination will become left, so not possible. Now next will become only 4 is possible. Remember the thing 3.5 and 4.5, this thing is not possible. Directly we can add one signal. So 2 raised to 4, it will become 16. Yes, this is possible because our combination required 10 and we can design 16 combinations. So binary code for decimal digit, a minimum 4 bits are required. Minimum, I am saying that minimum 4 bits are required. Because with the help of minimum 4 bit, we can make the 16 combinations are there. A journal say that numerously different code can be obtained by arranging 4 or more bits in 10 distinct possible combination. And one of the best popular is BCD, binary coded decimal, a straight assignment of binary equivalent. It is possible to assign binary weights to the binary bits according to their position. So BCD. Now weight sub meaning is that the weightage of each bit is 8, 4, 2, 1. How? 0 is equivalent, all are 0. 1 is equivalent 0, 0, 0, 1. So weightage of this bit is 1. 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. See, the second last bit is weight is 2. 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 is equal to, which one is that? Third bit. So 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the weightage of this bit is third. Wow, 4 bit weight is there. Next is fifth. Fifth is 4 plus 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 6. 6 is 4 plus 2. Middle 2 bits addition is equivalent to 6. 7. 7 is 8, not possible. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So last 3 are 1. So we can say the weightage 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Next is 8. 8 itself higher bit. So 1, 0, 0, 0. And 9 is 8 plus 1, 9. So this is the BCD code. Decimal 6 digit is possible. 8 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Plus 0. So 4 plus 2, 6. So that means this is the weightage code of the number. If I have to write down BCD, suppose the question is that find out the BCD of 356 decimal determined BCD code. So write down first 3, 5, 6. What is the equivalent 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is equivalent to BCD. There is a big difference between this number converted into binary and BCD. Important, remember that thing. In the competitive exam, when there is asked that convert the number decimal in BCD, so every digit is represented by 4-bit binary. Like as in hexadecimal number, same method we use. In octal we use the 3-bit. So here the BCD number always, suppose in vice versa. Suppose the number is given 1001 0100 and 1010 BCD convert into decimal. So 1001 is equal to 9, 0100 is equal to 01. Okay, this is will become 4, and 1010 is equal to 101. Oh, this is not a BCD valid number. Okay, so that means there is a few remaining combinations are not a valid BCD code 8421. Huh? Remember that thing, 8421 not a valid BCD combinations. Which are there? So we have to see in this table. We have to compare this table. Okay, total 16 combinations are possible. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this combination are unused and not a BCD valid number. 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and all are 1. So we can say that remaining 6 unused combination of BCD 8421. Which combinations are there? So this one. Not valid combinations. After 1010 it will become 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111. These 6 are not a valid combination. Okay, remember or note down that things.